If you're using the order blocks indicator, fair value gaps, and you have tried the different level indicators that have not worked, when you take a buy, they go into sell. When you take a sell, they go into buy. Then this video is for you. We have launched our new indicator that is called Millionaire Secret Levels, and you can get the lifetime access of this indicator by contacting on Telegram, or you can contact through email. The links are given in the description of this video below. Okay, so guys, this basically indicator provides you the data in real time. In real time, it will draw the level and it will start blinking, and it will provide you that this is the buy position and this is the sell position. This is not like a static order blocks that are already available, because mostly the indicators that are available on TradingView, they are static. They are not providing you, like for example, if the market reached to that level, and then you will see the price crosses up and it does not go down. So basically this indicator will tell you that the price wants to go up, and cut your sell position and enter into a buy position, and I will show you how this actually works. Okay, so for example, look, this is the live data, and this is showing you in real time to take a buy position exactly from that area. Now there could be a static level here. Right now it has just developed, or it can blink at that area. If when it start blinks the area, then you will simply mark that area and simply go for a buy trade. Okay, but overall I will suggest you to always go with the flow of the market. Like the price is coming down, if we make a trend line, the price is down, so do not buy from here. Like buying could be a risky, and when it make you a purple level from here, then go for a selling opportunity. Okay, selling opportunity, because go with the flow of the trend. Let me show you more examples. Like for example, this is the flash level that it has created on gold, so you can mark that area. Okay, now if we talk about the price, what is the price? The price is the bullish price right now. So what you can do, you can simply go and take a buy position. That is much and much better, because you will be taking a trade with the trend, because this is the trade that is not against the trend, right? Okay, similarly, if I go to the pound USD pair, okay, now you can see the trend is bearish. Okay, so better to take a selling opportunity and ignore that orange area for the buying. That will be not a good idea. Okay, so for example, simply look at here, the trend is down, so I would not prefer to buy here. But if you want to take a chance, it's your completely choice. Okay, like for example, I will not be going to trust that bullish area, because just look at the price. The price is dropping, so I will be looking for something pink. Okay, I will show you, because it tells you. Okay, look at this one. The price was simply dropping, and you got a bearish level from here. You can see the price is down, and even I have shared the couple of trades today in my Telegram group as well. Look, this is the buying here. Yes, we can buy because the trend is up, so we can definitely go for that one. Okay, okay, now look at this quality. Look at this quality, that what I was telling you. For example, the price is now declining. Okay, it has given you a orange level to buy it, but now it is providing you a selling level, so you can simply mark that level, that this is your selling zone, and now you can see the price can target the lower level. So this is the real time overlapping that it is providing you in real time, that the price don't want to go bullish, and now it can go bearish, and it has drawn a pink level for you. So this becomes your opportunity, and this is the real time market structure that it develops. And look, this is the real time structure it has developed. Like you can see from the couple of bullish candles, we got a orange level, and now the levels are pink. It means what you need to do, you need to sell. You don't need to buy here, because even if you just look at here, the price is going down from the upper side, so sell. So this is the quality, and this is like if you what I can say, that if you are going to trade this indicator, if this indicator is in your favorite, then I don't think so that the banks, the companies, they can make you losing. Okay, so for example, look at this. There is a one bearish candle, it has drawn a purple, but just look at the price. The price is completely bullish on Bitcoin. So what you need to do, look at this. It has provided you in real time. Even it blinks, or even it stuck here, you can mark that area and simply open a buy position and set up your stop loss at the previous low. And that's as simple as you can see on the screen. So guys, if you want to get the lifetime version of this indicator, just visit my Telegram channel, and you can find my email in the description of this video below, and you can go for that quality product, because these are the type of the products that you cannot have every day. These are the hidden stuffs in the market. Thank you very much for watching this video.